Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how this Ai.MxRICH AI performs, have the capacity to do the math. Because this AI is focusing on mortgage advisory and property advisory. The fundamentals is perform the complicated calculations and using different formulas to do the calculations. So this is very important and is a very fundamental, right? And people who use a lot of AI, they know that AI is not good in calculating big numbers. And we have overcome the problem. And then our technology right now, we are able to let our AI to do the mathematics and apply all the formulas. So let's start. So to show Ai.MxRICH capacity, in this video, we prepare two tests. And we use Google Sheet formula as a standard for correct answer. We gave each AI the same mortgage problem and so-called the parameters, the variables, and then to check their answer against the Google Sheets. So this is going to show how accurate each AI is in mortgage calculations. So in test one, this is pretty straightforward. We'll test each AI whether they can apply the correct formula, and then we'll input with the big numbers so that we'll see whether the AI calculate correctly. This is the formula where most of the bank or all the banks apply for calculating the mortgage. So this is also called effective rate formula. M is the monthly installment, P is the principal loan, R is the interest rate, and the N is the period. So this is quite a complicated calculations. And this formula is in Google Sheet as well.
Let's start. Start the prompt. I mean to compute the monthly installment of housing loan, 2 million, and with 18 years. Loan tenor with interest rate 2.2%. Let's see what is the answer. So you apply the correct formula. Okay, you get a final answer 11,624. And Deepseek. Okay, so also the same question, 2 million loan, 18 years loan tenor, and 2.2%. Deepseek is slightly different. Deepseek got his reasoning model. Most of the time, you will able to provide a more accurate answer. Let's see what's the answer he provides. Okay, provide a different answer, 11,127. It also provide more analysis here. Right now we are at prop AI. I just cut and paste the prop. All right, it's the same thing. 2 million loan, 18 years loan tenor, and the interest rate is 2.2%. Let's see what's the answer. Is able to use the same formula. All right, we come up with the answer 11,154. Okay, this is Google Sheet. I already previewed the formula here, as you can see. Already have the formula, right? So right now I want to adjust the numbers. That's how the question is about 2 million loan with 2.2% interest rate and 18 years. So the result is 11,221. Now we want to test MxRICH AI. This is MxRICH AI. So make sure you use this SGAI Mortgage Advanced version 1.0. It is the same thing. I need to compute the monthly installment of housing loan, 2 million, and with 15 years loan tenor and interest rate 2.2%. Then we see what's the result. All right, we provide the result 11,221, which is the same as Google Sheet.
Okay, to wrap up this test one, I made this simple table for comparison. As you can see, only Ai.MxRICH able to match the result from Google Sheet. The rest of the AI, whether it's ChatGPT, Grok AI, Deepseek, their answer is either higher or lower. Well, these generate AI, they are good in others' knowledge, but in terms of calculation, we also always cannot rely on their calculations, right? So let's continue for the test two. Now in test two, I'm testing AI MXReach whether it could do a series of math calculation based on the given rules. I will explain on what are the calculation and what are the rules about. It is very important. In real life, the AI shall be able to solve different scenario problem with given conditions. So the rules basically is TDSR rules, and if let's say come to HDB, this is a MSR. TDSR is total debt servicing ratio. MSR is mortgage servicing ratio. So there are a few variables like identify the income type. So the AI must be able to identify what are the fixed income and what are the considered variable income, right? So for example, rental income is considered variable income. Your bonuses, your commission, all is considered variable incomes. So you have to calculate. So this is a calculate portion. You have to calculate the fixed income. Let's say the user prompt is annual, they're able to divide it into 12 to get the fixed income, money fixed income. And then for the variable, is the AI able to also to divide it 12 into 12. If let's say annual is given, able to divide it into 12 to get the money and also apply a 70% for variable income. And then need to do a further calculation, which is the income weighted age. Because in the TDSR calculation, it's not about to get your average age as the age to calculate the loan tenure. It's always depending the income contribution. So it's an income weighted age. So this is another set of calculation. And then it will ask you to provide your monthly commitment. So for example, your car loan, your personal unsecured loan, or others housing loan as a monthly loan commitment, and also apply the 55% of maximum loan commitment based on stress test rate, which is for residential is 4%, for non-residential is 5%. Okay, basically the AI will convert the mortgage formula from the first white box, which we have seen in the test one, to the green box. This is to derive the maximum loan capacity. So this is the formula after the conversions. The P is maximum loan because right now we have the 55% of your monthly income minus your personal expenses. So with these, and then with the interest rate, this is the stress test interest rate, 4% for residential property, and the number of periods. That means your this maximum loan tenor based on the income weighted age. So that with this formula, able to derive how much you can loan, the maximum you can loan. TDSR rule also including the loan to valuations, and also number of active house loan in hand, and also your maximum loan tenor. So with all these calculation, is quite complicated. So the AI must also know how to apply this table to find out what is your loan you are eligible based on your income, based on your so-called loan commitment. So now we see whether the AI and Max Reach able to perform the job. Try to use AI and Max Reach. We can just simply prompt like my clients couple would like to buy a condo. Need your loan advice. We're asking for the age and the income. Let's say the husband is 50 and the wife is 44, and the husband's salary is about 12K per month with 2 month bonus, and the wife money paid is 7.5K per month with 3 month bonus. Okay, the AI has summarized what we have input. Okay, talking about the salary portion, and then it has immediately calculate the effective income and also the income weighted age, which is 48 years, age 48. So continue. We need to provide the money financial commitment.
let's say they have a car loan paying 1,000 per month, and this is the only home. Okay, home. They target to purchase property with asking price 2 million. Let's see. Okay, we can see the AI generate a scenario study according to the result based on the income, based on the financial commitments. The maximum new loan money commitment is only about 10,416, right? So maximum loan capacity is 1.5 millions, yeah, with 75% LTV. At the same time, that it recommended in terms of affordability, he cannot afford if let's say he won 75% LTV. There is a gap of about 200,000. So it's not about there is a gap of target price to 2.2 million. So you will advise the user to increase the down payment so that the loan amount is only about 70% instead of 75%. You still can get about 1.5 million loan, but right now the down payments must increase. So this is the minimum cash down payment. Okay, now we test the result using Google Sheet. I've already created the template. Just now we talk about the husband is age 50 and the wife is 44, right? So if one is 12K per month and 2 month bonus, and the wife is 7.5K per month and 3 month bonus. 2 months bonus, and then this 7.5K with 3 months bonus. Just to, and then the age is 50 and 44. Okay, income weighted age is 48. So they have a car loan. They have a car loan at 1,800. 1,800. So from there, they are able to derive the loan tenor for LTV 75 is 17 years, and the loan amount is 1.5140061. Let's see the result. 1540061.4. So also the same, 17 years. So we see another scenario for 35%. Also the same. Okay, after these two tests, we can conclude that MXRICH AI able to compute big numbers. I mean, for the mortgage formulas, and it also understand the rules and logic and know how to apply it. And of course, it can provide the result based on the different scenario. So in next, I will share with some of the prompt example to prompt how to get the answer for your loan capacity for buying HDB, buying commercial property, and even like refinancing and so on. Just subscribe and wait for our updates. Thank you.